Dude! Okay, I'm following you. Yo, ain't no way I'm doing this, man. Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my god, that's crazy. Jump, man. No. You're gonna die. You're definitely gonna die. Jump! Oh my goodness. Go, man, go. Ching. Do. What's up, guys? It's me again. Today we are back with another video with me, Emil. Today we are playing a brand new game called Flood Escape by Crazy Blocks. This game is created in 15th of August 2010. So see if we can win this game. Let's go. So I'm playing with my friend Emil Roblox 375. So he's kind of like a clone to me, but it's like very different clothes. Yeah. But to me, it's a different prize. So the friend I have is not actually my brother. It's my it's just a friend. How can friends be brothers? That's what I mean. Easy mode, go to easy mode, man. Go to easy mode, dude. Okay. Let's go! Hey! Yeah, let's go, bro. We jumping, bro. Let's go, bro. It's a mission, bro. Stop it, game. Yeah! Let's go, man. One. Hey! Oh, let me out. Oh, in the elevator for me, man. Okay, so we're going to look. Escape the possibility. Okay. Oh, what is this? Warehouse 2. Huh. Okay, guys. Hey. I think I was doing me. Okay, phone. Okay, yo, he's keep on going, dude. Okay, I'm following you. Yo, ain't no way I'm doing this, man. Yeah. You can do it. Yo, good job. Oh my god, that's crazy. Hey yo. Wait a minute, I can get you. Huh? This is difficult. No! Man, that's crazy. I got all of 0 rooms completing. What are you doing? No. But it's like wandering out the forest. Chill. Here you go. What are you doing? Ha! Chill. It's just a game of chill. I know what you're doing, but man, this is like crazy. I think maybe you just go. Yo, man, dude, go! Oh my goodness, that's crazy, man. Hey, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Yo, go, man, go! Oh, cop, get over here right now. Hey, again, go here. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let's put this thing behind you. Ha. Okay. Go. Nice. Go. Go to easy. Go to easy. Let's go. Oh no. Yeah. Side floors. Okay. Let's skip the side floors. Okay. Go here right now. Okay. Alright, let's just go here. Go. Wait a minute. What's about? No! Why? I am very upset, bro. Come on. Go, let's go. Here you go, man. Go, dude, go. Easy. Let's go. Let's go. Like crazy, man. So, people are gonna be going crazy, man. I don't know, dude. These are literally insane. Okay. I'm totally a bit. Wait. we in this game? Wait, oh, he left! He left! Okay, come on. Go, come on, you can do it, let's go! Whoa, we can do this! Can we win, bro? Escape the facility! Damn! Okay. Oh, 10 glass. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, is that glass? Damn, chill! Wait. Okay, follow these guys, follow these guys. Okay, he's walking. Follow him. Come on, let's go. We will win this game. Let's go, bro. This is real, boy. This is real. Okay, nice. Nice. Ooh, it's nice. Beautiful. Don't die, bro. Please. Okay. Bro, this avatar seems really weird. Yeah, totally bad. Look at this, but okay, the obstacles. Come on, you can do it. Hey. Bro, get over here right now, or else. Okay, let's go. Go. Voto beans. Okay, let's go. Hey. I'm supposed to be going this way. I don't know, okay. Okay, let's go. We can do this, boy. He's doing it! Oh my goodness, he's doing it right now. Totally beat this. Okay, he's doing it. Okay. Okay, we can do this, boy. We can do this. We can beat this over. Okay, go beat this game. Go. Dude, jump, man. But we're gonna die. We're definitely gonna die. Just jump! Oh my goodness! Go, man, go, man, go. Chill. Dude. Another time. Oh my goodness gracious! I cannot believe it. No idea what it is, but I don't even know what happened. You know me. I don't even know what happened, but why did you do that? Why did you do that? You're so late. You're so late.
I understand, man.
Where in the prism of totally normal. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Go, hurry up. Okay. Die, can we beat this game? Let us keep. It's intermission, man. Intermission. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Okay. And let's go. Okay. Oh, let's get this already. Okay, what map is it? It's side floors, okay. What? Yeah, man, you know me. Oh my goodness! It's not possible. I'm gonna beat this. Okay, I'm going, bro. I'm going. Come on. Go. Oh, dude. Come on, can we do this? Can we beat this game? What? I know what's wrong with this the game. Maybe I don't know. Join, please. I need to join, please.
Oh, no! Oh, God! No!
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. So we reach 50 subscribers. Go check it out. I'm making compilation. All top video is totally the best. Make sure to check out the channel. Bye. Oh man.